Hey guys, it's all here. The Xiaomi's upcoming flagship phone of 2019, the Xiaomi Mi 9, was leaked officially by Xiaomi CEO and its team. So Xiaomi 9 will have a water drop notch up front with a size of 6.4 inches, and according to official renders, it will have a 1080p Full HD Plus AMOLED display that is supplied by Samsung. It will also have 40% minimal bottom chin compared to its predecessor, and as I said earlier, it will have a water drop notch. To combine them, Mi 9 will have a 90.7% screen to body ratio. Furthermore, it will have a Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for protection, and it will also have an eye protection certification from the German Institute of Electrical Engineers. Also, Xiaomi President Lin Bin revealed that Mi 9 will come with an in-display fingerprint sensor. It will be 25% faster than the current generation fingerprint sensors offered in other devices. Furthermore, he also revealed that it is optimized for special use cases such as dry fingers and low temperature, which in turn increases the unlocking rate significantly compared to previous generation solution. Now towards the back, we have 3 cameras with 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 main sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto sensor, and 16 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor with 117-degree field of view. And this sensor also allows you to take 4 centimeter macro shots. Under the hood, it will have a Snapdragon 855 processor, and Xiaomi Mi 9 will come in lavender violet, ocean blue, piano black, and in some more colors. And not only this, Xiaomi is all set to launch its new product at February 24th, which is likely going to be the Xiaomi's double folding foldable phone. So let's see what Xiaomi will announce at that day. By the way, Huawei is also launching its foldable phone at February 24th, and Nokia will also come with Nokia 9 at the very same day. So February 24th is going to be a very interesting day. And by the way, Xiaomi will announce its Mi 9 at February 20th, same day as of the Galaxy S10's launch. So yeah, please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming news, and let me know in which price you can expect Xiaomi Mi 9. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.